Hey everyone, okay, so cleansing. This is probably the longest use of a cleanser known to man. So I was first introduced to this cleanser. This is not a sponsored video. It's not sponsored in any way, shape or form. Sometimes when you do a video and it's a bit stylized, it's always just sponsored. It's not sponsored. I've never been sponsored by this company. 23 years ago, I have a friend who's a dentist, and the saying in the UK is, all dentists are rich. Yeah, they pretty much are. So he bought me as a present some Bobbi Brown brushes, which at the time I was just never seen such quality. And he also bought me a cleanser by Eve Lom. This is not that same cleanser, but this is the Eve Lom cleanser. It's been the longest running cleanser that I've ever used. Now, all the ingredients in here are enough to give Paula Begon a conniption fit. They really are. But this works for me, and I love it. I absolutely do. So let me show you inside this heavenly product. Now, first of all, this replaces your exfoliant, your toner, your moisturiser, everything. What I love about this product is it takes off everything on your skin. All waterproof products, sunscreen, everything gets dissolved. It doesn't irritate the eyes whatsoever. I love it. It's perfect. I'm going to show you how I use it. What I love it best as well is not only does it take all that nonsense off, but I don't need to use a separate exfoliant because I'm exfoliating the skin manually myself with a muslin cloth. So let me show you. So this retails in the UK. Here's the pisser. This retails here for 200 mils in the UK for £95. Once in a blue moon, you can get one of these. This is 450 mils and it retails for £175. Man, love it. Okay, it's a lot of money. But for somebody that's obsessed with cleansing like I am, it's worth every penny. So here's what you do. Take your finger, or you can just use whatever. I get around about that much product. That's a little bit too much. So 200 mils here will last me around about 6 to 8 months, depending on how often I use it, which really is just once a day. You apply it to dry skin, and then you massage it in. You can smell all of the essential everything that this product has in it. And I like to, and I get told off for this, you're so heavy-handed with your skin. Well, it's my skin, I'll do what I want. I like to massage it into my face, and I like to use pressure. And wait till you see the muslin cloth. We're terrified of our faces. We're terrified of touching them. We're terrified of pulling our skin. If you guys could see what I've been doing with my face for the past 6 weeks, and I will update it in a little bit, you'd be horrified. I mean, I'm doing everything apart from pulling my lip over my face at the moment. And nothing bad has happened, quite the opposite. So when it's all massaged in, I then take a muslin cloth. This has been dipped in hot water, not cold, hot water. What I like to do is take the muslin cloth, and I like to go in downward strokes with pressure. Then I go across the skin and back. So I am exfoliating the skin while taking off all that makeup, sunscreen, anything that's been on the skin all day long. So I'm not being gentle with my skin. I'm massaging it, and I'm moving the skin to exfoliate it. Years ago, the reason I was obsessed with this product is because I read an interview with Eve Lom, and in the interview, she said how she wears sunscreen only when it's hot and only in summer. She will not hide from the sun. The sun is essential to life. She doesn't do Botox. She doesn't believe in fillers, injecting herself with poisons. She doesn't believe in any of that stuff. Now, she looks like a woman who is aged well. You can see that there's nothing on her skin at all. She's not done anything and she looks great. The other thing I loved is that she doesn't oversell. So for somebody like me with oily skin, she would recommend that I use the cleanser and the rescue mask. That's it. No moisturizers, no serums, nothing else. I loved that about her. Now, your skin is now completely clean. It is moisturized. I'm now going to splash it with water and that will be the end. So that's it. I'm all done. Everything is off my skin. There's nothing on my skin apart from a spot on my nose. It is the best cleanser in the whole wide world. The rescue mask, I could do a video on the rescue mask, just on the mask itself. It is a ridiculously clever mask that is so full of camphor, but your skin is left really, really looking amazing after it. It goes against the grain of a lot of things that I believe in, but I love this product. I think it's amazing. I believe Space NK actually bought the brand several years ago. Here's a really sad fact. Yves Lom used to do a mineral foundation. The mineral foundation was of epic proportions and they stopped doing it, and it broke my heart because it was one of the best on the market. I would love to see that return. That's it. I'm done. I will probably continue to use this foundation for all eternity. It is absolutely amazing. And if your budget stretches to it, I know it's £175. It's ridiculous, but it's worth every single penny for this giant one. And not very travel friendly, but it is amazing. There you go. See you next time. Bye-bye.